in the last lecture we have studied op-amp, right? Tell me what is op-amp? Yeah, op-amp is basically what I told you. Op-amp is the amplifier, right? And we are having two kinds of amplifier. One is the non-inverting and another is the inverting. If it is connected with the positive one, then it is known as non-inverting, and if it is negative one, then in that case it would be inverting, right? So we'll give two supply. Which two supply will provide? VCC and VEE, and the output voltage would be denoted by V naught. Okay. Yeah, see, yeah, okay. So then I told you about the gain. What is gain? Gain is represented by A. Basically, gain is how many times it is increasing, and gain is represented by A, and it is basically output divided by input, right? So, and we have done the derivation also. Then we have done the formula also of output. V naught is equal to AD VID ACM VICM, where CM is the common mode and AD is the gain, differential gain. It is the difference in the input voltage. This is the common mode gain, and this is the input voltage for the common mode, right? So VID is the difference in the voltage, that is V1 minus V2, and VICM is the common mode gain, that is V1 plus V2 over 2, right? One is, I told you about the CMRR, that is the common mode rejection ratio. Basically, it is the measure of the ability of the signal which is common to both, like how much noise it rejected. The signal which are common to both the terminals, it would be rejected. So its formula is AD by ACM, and CMMR if they have mentioned in decibels, then in that case the formula will use 20 log base 10 AD by ACM. So in Manipal, one of the question will definitely come from these formulas, right? Okay. Next we have studied about the derivation of inverting amplifier, right? In the case of inverting amplifier, what we got as an output expression, that will get the voltage gain. The voltage gain is represented by A. If it is V, then voltage gain is represented by AV. As I told you, gain is output divided by input, right? So it is a voltage gain, so it would be output voltage divided by the input voltage, right? So what formula we got it? It is inverting, that's why we got it as negative minus RF over R1. Okay, we got it as minus RF over R1, where RF is the feedback resistance and R1 is the input resistance. Got it? RF is the feedback resistance.